everybody, this is Kathy from katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a project share, and this project share is for Beebeecraft. Before I do that, I would like to let you guys know about Beebeecraft program. They have an affiliate program. If you are a YouTuber and make YouTube videos and have over 100 subscribers and are willing to make videos for Beebeecraft, basically you get in contact with them and let them know you're interested, and they will get in contact back with you and ask you a few questions. I will leave that down on the description below, the link for that. Also, if you purchase anything over $25, usually you get free shipping, so I do really highly recommend that. And also I will also link a $5 off coupon on any purchase over $40, and that will also be linked down on the description below. Basically it's Kathy5, and yay. So let me go ahead. This is one of the items I received from Beebeecraft on my last unboxing. Love them. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Oh my god, I wanted to use these for backpacks, for planners, for so many things. So I wanted to show you basically what I created this time. So I ended up thinking like, okay, so I needed a little pouch for my mask, so whenever I'm out shopping and for some reason my mask falls, or when my kids go back to school, I made this pouch and I put their names here. I put my name because I didn't want to put their names, and basically the pouch is my mask is in here and it is held by the clip. Anyways, so you clip this in either your purse, your backpack, inside your vehicle, and awesome way of using these. So love it. And then I also made this. I will link a picture on here, and it will show you guys what I used it for. So backpack, I decided to make some of these also for backpacks. Once my kids go back to school, just when they go on the bus or anything, basically put their name on here. This is in here. Their name will be on here. I just put my information for now because I didn't want to display their items. So anyways, so I put this crochet flower on here, and then it's going to be clipped onto the back of the backpack. And like I said, I will link a picture somewhere on this video. So there you go. And then my last project that I created, I decided to make a tassel. Yeah, so here you go. This is what I ended up creating. So here is the tassel. I went ahead and put some beads on here, and I put a heart crochet right here, and it is being hanged by my little clip right here. Yay. So this is awesome. I love these clips. They are so amazing. So amazing. So basically this is how you use them. And my kids was playing with it. I was like, oh my gosh, don't play with it, because I was thinking that it was gonna fall apart or anything, but no, they're very sturdy, very good. Love them. They clip back on here, and yay. Anyway, so I will link everything that I got from Beebeecraft down in the description below, so you guys could go over, check out the items. Also just check out Beebeecraft. They have amazing projects, or products, I mean, not projects. Anyways, so thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.